Gonna say hi to everyone? Hi. 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 Did you eat some cheese? That was good, wasn't it? And you've been drinking milk. Not so interested in water, but like the milk. It's just good that you're having fluids. She hasn't had enough fluids yet for this 24-hour period, but we're getting there, aren't we? Are you having your milk in measuring cups so I know how much you drink? Hey, my darling. And did you wet Mum's bed? And she doesn't mind? Because she wants you to be happy? Hey. Hey. I'd rather you just have lots of cuddles. Oh, what was that? Hey. Is that Bundy? Is that Bundy? Hey. You can have some tuna. Maybe we should mix it with some dry cat food because you like that. That's a nice treat, isn't it? Or with your normal food. She hasn't eaten her normal food for a few days. Maybe two or 3 days, maybe 2 days. And I thought, I was very worried about you. She wasn't drinking at all. And I finally got her to drink a little bit of water, and then I added some powdered milk in it, and she just drank even more of that, and she's been drinking that happily. And she's had about 400 mils of fluid, but you need at least 600, closer to 900. Okay? Don't you? I know you're not well. You're okay. You're okay. We just want her last days to be as comfortable as possible. And not to be alone ever. So she's got the dry side of the bed. I don't mind if I've got some wet coming through a doona. Here comes your tuna. Can I film her eating the tuna? Okay.